Empowering red bra. Red bras have been a symbol of sensuality and confidence for decades. They're bold, beautiful, and sure to make a statement. Our collection of red bras is designed to make you feel your best. Each piece is crafted with the finest fabrics and intricate details to create a truly luxurious experience. Visuals of women of different shapes and sizes wearing the red bras are shown. We believe that every woman should feel comfortable and confident in their own skin. That's why our red bra collection is available in a wide range of sizes and styles to suit every body type. So if you're looking for something that will make you feel empowered and confident, look no further than our collection of red bras. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe.